Good morning, my friend. My name is Mahesh GS, and now I'm going to say something because it's very important in our life. So I want to say 5 points, yeah, because it's every time is use these topics. Which topics I'm going to say, but please, before you watch this video, please do like and subscribe my channels, and please share with your friend. So without do the time waste, I am going to say that topic names. And first, subscribe and like, and uh, just 5 minutes. And if you will listen this thing, after listen this thing, you will be feel so good. So without do the time waste, now I come to the point. Whenever we go to so how to ask anyone name. Basically, we are asking in a present time, what is your name and where are you from, these kind of things, right? So first we have to ask something nice, it means with a politely. So uh, if you will go somewhere and you don't know about that place, and if you want to ask some people about this place, first what will say? First you have to say your names, like this. Excuse me, uh, my name is Dhanesh, and I am from Assam, or I am from Darjeeling, I am from India, I am from American anyone's. And after that you have to ask this kind of, excuse me, if you don't mind, may I know your name please. But do not ask what is your name, because this is so horrible. And you have to ask, may I know your name please, if you don't mind. And you will say, if you will say already, may I know your name, and if you don't mind, then he never will mind you. So this is the first. And we know, because everyone is want to, because everyone listen some music or any video, that time we do not make the disturb. And before we ask to anyone, so exactly we have to say excuse me. And if you will say excuse me, and you will stop listen music or any song, and you will reply answer your questions. So this is the, and because it's are very important. And we no need to talk with angry, because whenever we will talk with any one persons, or if we will ask with any one name, then we have to ask politely. If you will ask politely, then also you will be return you, because this is so important. And and number one, uh, when when we going to wake up in the morning time, first why we said these things. It's time to wake up to your full potentials, right? And because life is just short, and is repeated often enough to be an clients. But this time is true, really, believe me, because also I'm doing this, because also I'm wake up in the morning time, 5 o'clock like that. And if you will make it this habit, then it will be good for you. It means if you will make this habit, then it will be good in your future, because it's a future. And because you don't have enough time to be bath, unhappy and manicure, it's not just painless, it's painful, right? And so as you hear like this, so why is it that when a baby is born, we often refer to him or her as the miracle of life? We have to wake up in the morning time as soon as possible. And if you will wake up in the morning time every day, then it will be good for you, because also it will be exercise for you. So I hope you like this video, and Please, let's meet with another video. So thank you so much.